In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch from Yahoo Mail to Gmail, which should take us about 2.5 minutes. Making the move can feel like a big step, especially if you've been using Yahoo Mail for a long time. But don't worry, this tutorial will guide you smoothly through the process of transitioning to Gmail, ensuring that your emails and contacts make the journey with you seamlessly. First, let's set the foundation. Ensure that you have already created a Gmail account. If you haven't, just head over to mail.google.com and click on Create Account. Follow the prompts to complete the registration process. This is crucial because we'll be using your Gmail credentials to bring everything over from Yahoo Mail. Once you're set up, log into your new Gmail account to get started. Now, let's focus on transferring your contacts. Since your contacts list is a vital part of your email experience, it's important that we get them over to your new Gmail account. Begin by logging into your Yahoo Mail account and navigating to the Contacts section. Here, you'll want to find the More button and select Export. When you see the options available, choose either Yahoo CSV or vCard format, which will allow Gmail to recognize your contacts easily. Save the file to your computer. Next, switch back to your Gmail account. Click on the 9-dot grid in the top right corner to access Google Apps and select Contacts. Once in the Google Contacts interface, click on Import, which is usually on the left sidebar. From here, simply upload the file you saved earlier from Yahoo. Your Gmail account will now import your Yahoo contacts, ensuring you have everything you need to start communicating with ease. The next step is transferring your emails. In Gmail, you can import your Yahoo Mail emails using Gmail's Import Mail and Contacts feature. This tool is quite powerful, allowing you to not only bring over existing emails from Yahoo but also emails you receive there in the future. Start by clicking the gear icon in the upper right corner and go to See All Settings. Navigate to the Accounts and Import tab and then click Import Mail and Contacts. You'll be prompted to enter your Yahoo email address and then log into your Yahoo Mail to grant Gmail access to your account. Follow the simple on-screen instructions, and your emails will start appearing in your Gmail inbox. Please note, this process might take a little while based on the volume of emails you have. Finally, ensure that your transition is smooth by notifying your contacts of your new email address. You can set up an automatic reply in Yahoo Mail to tell senders that you've moved to a new Gmail address. This step is optional, but it can help ensure that you don't miss any important communications during the transition. With these steps, your move from Yahoo Mail to Gmail should be complete. Enjoy all the features and efficiency Gmail has to offer. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more practical guides.